Did you know 25% of the top-ranking websites don't have a meta description? And more than 40% are truncated? This could be you right now. But don't worry, we're here to fix that in just a few minutes. And by the end of this video, your WordPress site will have meta descriptions so good, they'll make Google beg to rank you higher. Oh, and stick around because we're covering not one, but two of the most popular SEO plugins. First up, the OG of WordPress SEO plugins, Yoast. Head over to the content you want to update. For this example, we're diving into a blog post. Scroll down and boom, you'll see the Yoast SEO section. Enter your focus key phrase. Update your SEO title, and yes, include that key phrase for bonus points. Write a snappy meta description. Think of it as your website's pickup line. Once you're done, hit update, and voila, your changes are live. But wait, what if you're using Elementor? Just click the gear icon at the top, head over to the Yoast SEO section on the right, and follow the same steps. Now let's shift gears to Rank Math, another fan favorite. Find the page you want to update. For this demo, we're editing a page. Open the page and click the Rank Math button in the top right corner. Add your focus keyword. Write an attention-grabbing SEO title. Craft a meta description that would make even a clickbait headline jealous. When you're done, hit close and then save. Still using Elementor? Go to the SEO tab on the left-hand side of Elementor. The Rank Math box will pop up. Same steps as before. Close it, save it, and you're good to go. All right. We just unlocked how to add meta descriptions to a WordPress website. But here's the deal. This is just one piece of the SEO puzzle. So if you want more tips, hit that subscribe button. Have any questions about Yoast, Rank Math, or SEO in general? Drop them in the comments below. We read every single one. Oh, and don't forget to like our video if you found it helpful. It helps us out and makes our day just a little brighter. See you in the next one.